everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I have got a 14 by 14 canvas ready to go on my Lazy Susan with some white acrylic on there. It's mixed 50% Sax acrylic and 50% Floetrol. No water, no silicone. And I've got a cup of mishmash of paint colors. I'm using up all the stuff, not all the stuff, but almost all the stuff that I have pre-done in these little plastic cups, the small ones and the big ones. So I couldn't tell you for sure what's in there. It's a mixture. We're just going to do a leaky cup because Greg, my awesome man, made me this nice little leaky cup on the 3D printer. A little bit bigger size than his last one. The last one he did was this one right here, so it's about half the size. And I think he cut out the holes on the sides a little bit bigger too, so hopefully it'll make a really nice design. I should show you my Christmas tree painting. You know, I posted this on a couple of my favorite beginner pouring Facebook groups, and the response has been amazing. It has made my whole Christmas day because I have never had so many people thumbs up, comment, love it, watch my video. I had a goal of 200 subscribers by Christmas Day. I met my goal. I think I'm at 205 right now. So remember, hit subscribe. It's really important to me. Love you for it. All my regulars, thank you so much for coming back each and every time I upload a video, commenting and putting your thumbs up. It really does mean the world to me. Let me show you the painting. It's not dry yet, but it's showable. This is a 16 by 20 Christmas tree I did. Swipe. There we go. It just turned out awesome. I just love it. And the comments I've been given have just been amazing. So thank you. Anybody from the group that's watching right now, thank you so much. Okay, so let's do this leaky cup. I've got some of the blue black, I call it. It's bright blue and black mixed together. I've got a little bit left here, so I'm going to use it as the start of my puddle here for my leaky cup. Okay, so let's put the leaky cup right here approximately. There we go. And I'm just going to start pouring. So again, thank you everyone who keeps coming back. Merry Christmas everybody. Season's greetings, whatever the proper term is we're supposed to do nowadays. Thank you everyone. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to do a straight pour. Now Greg's put a little bit of a kind of like a speed bump, I like to call it, in the center. So as I pour it in the center, it pours over that bump. So hopefully that'll help get this paint moving in the directions I want. Hopefully we don't get too much mud. I see some cells happening, which is awesome. Now these paints are all 50% acrylic and 50% Floetrol. And I did put some white left over that I had with, I think it had 2 or 3 drops of silicone in it. So that'll help with some cells as well as the Floetrol. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Let's give it a second to finish draining out here. Let's give it a little torch. Okay, wipe my hand off. Now I'm going to do some wrecking before I spin this guy. Just going to use the end of my paintbrush. I think I'm going to pull some white in, so I'm just going to do do the same thing right around here. Okay, let's give this a spin and see if that's enough wrecking. Sorry if you're gonna get dizzy, you guys. Fast forward this part if you do, okay? Here we go. Now I did try gluing a stick to the bottom of this Lazy Susan to try and have something to stop it. It didn't work, fell off. I'm gonna have to try and figure out something else. Really liking what I'm seeing so far for design. Okay, let's give it another spin. I'm gonna try and go the other way. It's always a challenge for me, but let's give it a whirl. I've got almost all of my corners covered. Okay, slowing down, that's good. If I keep watching, I'm going to make myself dizzy. I got one spot there that's not quite covered, so let's give it another good little spin here. Oh, okay, that didn't work so good. I always have a blooper on my videos. That's hilarious. Okay, let's do that again without wiping everything out. At least I keep it real. These things can happen to you if you're at home trying to do these amazing paintings. Make sure I didn't damage the corners stopping it. Nope, we're good. And I got all the corners covered. Look at that. Excellent. Okay, well, let me just give it a quick little torch here, see if anything changes. Lots of cells in here. Not so crazy about that. I'll be fixing that. Little dark area there. Okay, now this is when I like to join some of my cells, kind of give it a little bit more of a design. Just looking to see where my patterns are. I'm going to go with a smaller, I have a smaller pink little paintbrush I like to use. I'm going to go straight through here, try and fix up that dark. That actually looks really cool now in the dark. I might do one more spin after I'm done doing some wrecking here. We'll see. It's amazing with a little bit of maneuvering of the paintbrush through these designs, through the cells I should say, make really cool designs. There's like a paisley design up here which you probably can't see it, but I'll show it on a close-up once this is dry. Love all of that. There's one area right here that needs a little bit of design. Okay. I think I'm just going to do this corner up here. Start over here. Needs one more. Okay, I'm just going to give it one quick little spin just to get the paint connected, flowing together a little bit. I know that's not much of a spin, is it? Good enough though, I think. Oops. Fix that side a little bit that I touched. Over here. There we go. Okay. I'm totally happy with that. I don't think I'm going to pick this up and show it. I don't want to... Oh, you know what? I will. There's not that much paint on here. I'll give a quick little view. There we go. My Christmas Day masterpiece of a mishmash of colors. It just turned out awesome. Love it. Thanks very much for joining me, everybody. Please remember to hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. And better yet, hit that share button for me and share it with your friends. I'd really appreciate it. All right. Again, enjoy your Christmas, everyone. Until I see you probably tomorrow, I'll bring up another video. Thanks, everyone.